Hey you, are you having a great day? I sure hope so. So as you can see, I have a little bit change of scenery for you, but I had to come upstairs in my home to make this video for you to have enough room to show you all of the wonderful Hostess exclusives that we have this season with 31. So this is our fall winter catalog of 2022, and I cannot wait to share with you our Hostess exclusive. So basically, to get your hands on one of these, you have to host a qualifying party. Now, how do you host a qualifying party? What is a qualifying party? So in order to earn Hostess rewards, Hostess exclusives, you have to host at least a $200 party, which is an average of 4 to 5 orders, and you have qualified for rewards. Of course, the more orders that you have, the more levels that you earn, the more that products and exclusives that you earn with 31. So a minimum party is a $200 party. I love to tell my hostesses, our minimum party for you is going to be a $500 party, because that is basically where you kind of get to double your rewards. And our ultimate goal is going to be that $1,000 party where you get to double again. So there's lots of ways to do a party. You can do an online party, an in-person party, you can do a catalog party, you can just share your shopping link, you can do a fundraiser. There are so many ways to earn with 31. For me as a consultant, I'll host my own parties. And so I will earn the commission from my party, plus I'll earn the Hostess rewards, and that's how I'll get a lot of products in my hands. So I'm going to show you what our Hostess exclusives are for this season. They are discounted for our hostesses. Now, something new that we are offering this season is you can actually use your free credits, the free shopping spree that you earn with your party. You can use your free credits to pay for your Hostess exclusives at the retail price. Now, if you were just paying for them and not using your free credits, then these items would be at the discounted price. But when you're using your free credits, it would be at the original retail price of the item. So you can kind of pick and choose how you want to use your rewards, which is a great feature with 31. We're all about personalizing, making it your own. So all right, so the first 2 exclusives that I'm going to share with you are bring back exclusives, and they were top sellers, top takers. They were taken the most a couple of seasons ago. So the first one is the Dare to Duffle. Now, I got this out the other day, and my husband saw it, and he was like, "Oh, I like that." So I was like, other people might like that too. So this is the Dare to Duffle in the vintage maple print. It also comes in the vintage slate print as well, it's almost like a blue jean, a dark blue jean looking color. I love this maple print. And then I did the deer antlers in the cappuccino with thread color. Now, one thing that's great about Hostess exclusives is you get to personalize them for free. So you better believe any Hostess exclusive that I'm grabbing, I am personalizing that sucker for free. But it also comes with a snap to it pouch as well. So you can put your AirPods in here, you can put your Bath & Body Works hand sanitizer, small essential oils, chapsticks in here, you name it. So you've got handles right here that kind of gather around the top. You can put it on your shoulder just like this, but it also does come with a adjustable strap here. So you can adjust this, wear it as a crossbody, wear it on your shoulder. I just have it tightened up here. And then on the inside, it's basically exactly what you would expect it to be. I do have stuffing in here, sorry. But you do have a built-in little zipper pocket here in the back. So this is the Dare to Duffle bundle. So you can grab this as a hostess. And these items are only hostesses can grab. Customers cannot get these orders. The only way you can is by hosting a party. So at the discounted hostess price, you'll get this bundle for $29. The retail value of this is $84, okay? The next bring back one that we have is the On Point bundle. So this is in the black. It also comes in the stone print as well. The stone, Lord, don't ask me what color that looks like. Some people see pink, some people see lavender, some people see tan, so don't ask me. But I think it's really pretty. It's actually very gorgeous. But this is the one in the black here. And then you can see, you better believe I personalized this, right? So I did the double arrow personalization in the black thread color. We call that, when you use the same thread color as the color of the bag, we call that tone on tone personalization. So I did black thread on the black bag. You can see that it blends in, but it stands out. It looks really nice here. So this is kind of like a 2-in-1 bag. So on the back, you have a backpack strap. So you can wear this as a backpack, but it also comes with a crossbody strap too. So you can wear it as a crossbody. If you decide to wear it as a crossbody, you can actually unhook You can unhook these. I'll just do one side here. You can unhook this, and then I'm just gonna kind of like fold it up here, and then tuck it in that little pocket right there. So when you're not using this as a backpack, you can do that. This does have pockets on the side, so you can put water bottle in here. It does have a button closure. So a little button closure here, and then here is that crossbody strap. So it is hooked on the inside, so you can be versatile however you need to carry it. So maybe it's a little heavy on your shoulder, and you're like, I just need to carry this as a backpack. You have that option. And then you do have on the inside, this is a bundle too, because it comes with something else. I'll show you that in just a second. Now on the inside, this is great. I feel like you could put file folders in here, 3-ring binders in here, so lots of room in here. There's a zipper pocket here that's actually open. I'm gonna zip that up. And then you have 2 flat interior pockets here. So lots of room in here. I think it's great for a work bag. And then it also comes with this envelope style. I like the black print because I love this dainty speckle that comes with it. But this is kind of like a little messenger style, envelope style folder or thing that you can put either file folders in here. I have my 15-inch laptop in here, and it fits really, really nicely in here. I wouldn't say that you could put anything larger than a 15-inch laptop in here because it wouldn't fit. But this is a great bundle to grab, to snag as a hostess. So at the discounted hostess price, it would be $59. Retail is $160. So that's a great snag there. Okay, so on to, well, I'm going to show you one more. This isn't new, but you never know what you're going to get. So we love a mystery with 31, right? We love bundles. We love putting products together. And I think all of us love a mystery. I know when we do those mystery bundles for our outlet sales, they sell out so quick because people love them and they're such a great deal. So in addition to the products that I'm showing in this video, you also have the option to snag a mystery hostess bundle for, I just want to double check, for $29. It's valued at $77 or more. Okay, so I grabbed my latest mystery hostess bundle, and for the sake of time, I went ahead and sliced the bag open so I could show you really quickly. But it's going to come in a white poly mailer like this, and it'll say mystery bundle on here. So let's open this one together. So I'm not saying that you're going to get this bundle. I really have no idea. Consultants don't even know. When you order the bundle, we have no idea what it is until it comes. Some of us can snag the numbers once your order ships and see what your bundle will be, but let's just make it fun and be a surprise, right? So this one is a Fresh Market Thermal. This is that Fresh Market Thermal in the gray. Well, I'm not going to open it, but in the gray patchwork. And then this is a deluxe utility tote. The deluxe utility, both of these items are $49. So, and then you're getting the bundle for $29, which is a great deal. So that is, if you want to snag one of those mystery hostess bundles, I encourage you to do that because you never know what you're going to get. Okay, so one of the new products that we have, this is the classic jewelry organizer. So the classic jewelry organizer, it comes in, this is the gray print, the gray. It's kind of like that pebble print there. It also comes in the taupe, kind of like a cream colored one. So I got the gray because I thought this would look really good in my daughter's room. She's all about now kind of like the jewelry and things like that. So I thought this would go really, her room is gray and pink. That was the style back when she was born. What, 7 years ago? Gosh, she's fixing to be 7. But anyways, so it's got a magnetic closure here. I'm trying to do this on camera. So you can pinch the 2 sides here. And then when you open it up, you'll see that there's my ring light. So you got a mirror right here. And then you also have places to store, you know, your rings and some earrings. It also comes with a set of keys because you can actually lock this if you'd like. Now the top section, I'm gonna pull it back a little bit. The top section, they've got these little ribbon tabs here. You can pull these up just like this. So this comes out, and then you have an area to store maybe your necklaces in here or your bracelets. You can take your bracelets off and lay them in here, however you'd like to use that. And then the bottom section, I'm going to close this here on the top. So this will kind of open up here, and then you have drawers here. So you have 2 drawers here that you can store things, and then a larger drawer here as well. So this is something new that we're offering. We're just kind of trying to have a variety of things for our hostesses to be able to snag and to make them feel special, because they are the only ones that can grab these items, okay? All right, so that was the classic jewelry organizer. You can grab that for $89, and it's valued at $225, okay? So the next one is part of our new line with 31. We have a new luggage and travel line, and so I'll show you one of the smaller pieces that we have. So this is our Hardcase travel set. Now this print is in the Abbey Stone print, but it also comes in this gray print as well. So this is a Hardcase luggage here, or Hardcase travel set here. It is TSA approved here. So when you unzip it and open it up here, you can see that you have those little do not eat packets. They got me crazy. So you got a little pocket right here, little mesh pocket here, but it also comes with this little set here. I'll show you that in a second. And then over here, you've got a little section to store things here. So this kind of opens up just like that right there. So I was thinking, like, when I see this right here, of course you can put makeup and stuff, but I was thinking like your charging cords for your Apple Watch or your phone, you can roll them up and put them in here. And then it also comes with this little travel set as well. It's labeled with 31. I think these are really cool. So you've got two of these little things for, it says 10 milliliter. So you can put like face cream in here. You also have two bottles. So 2 little bottles here with snap tops, and then you have a little pump bottle that it comes with. And then it also comes with these little attachments, I guess you'd say. So I love these little things, little droppers, so you can pinch this right here, pinch it, draw up, and then, you know, if you need to put it in somewhere else, you have a little funnel here, and then you even have a little scraper. I love that little scraper. So if you need to either get in the bottom of this or get into the bottom of one of your other bottles to put in here, I like that little scraper there. So that comes as a set. So that is the Hardcase travel set. You can grab that for $29. It's valued at $70. So it has a zip closure. It's hard shell made of recycled plastic, TSA liquid approved. The pouch is PVC. So that is the details on that one. Okay, so I probably should be a little bit more organized. So this is that Abbey Stone print. It's a little darker than cream, so some people may see a little green in there. I think it's really pretty. Okay, and then the next one is the Hardcase luggage. Now, this is the reason why I'm upstairs in my home, because I'm like, I need the room to be able to show this this product here, because it is so large. It is so large. So this is called the En Route luggage bundle. So you're going to get the full size luggage here, plus a luggage tag here that you can personalize. And you can personalize this too. Sorry, mine is not personalized, but you can do, it'll do like a letter or your name right here. It's almost like the personalization's kind of like, I really don't know if it's vinyl, but it's not embroidery, of course. But and then on the luggage tag, you'll be able to personalize your luggage tag on there. So the En Route luggage bundle is $149. If you were to use your free credits to pay for that, it would be $375 at that retail price. So I'm just going to go over the details of this, and then I'm going to try to work my phone around. I'm going to bring my camera around here, lay this down, and show you the features that way. So I'll come back and do that in just a second. But it has a zip closure, an integrated TSA lock. It has the 4 wheels on the bottom. It comes in the gray print here, the gray print, and then that Abbey Stone print as well. So, and I guess I'll share all that, the details, when I'm explaining that. But come back here in just a second and I will show you that. All right, so here we go. Here is our luggage. Love that telescopic handle and how our commuter backpack or anything with a trolley sleeve can slide over that. We've got our 4 wheels on the luggage. It also comes with a luggage tag that you can personalize. I like the handles that they move with you. They're not going to pinch your fingers. So you got a handle on the top and one on the side, and also a TSA security lock. You can put the lock or the numbers on 0 and then pop the lock and it will open up for you. So you can unzip the luggage all the way around that side and down through the bottom. Lay it down, use that handle of course, and open up your luggage. It's going to open up double-sided there. So on this side, you can see you've got that strap handle there. You can lift up the suitcase with that handle. I should have unbuckled it here, but I'll grab out my large packing cube. If you don't use packing cubes, they're amazing. The medium packing cube, and also that small packing cube. I had blankets on the inside of those, so it could really hold a little bit more in the suitcase. So you can unbuckle that strap like that. Then on the other side, you'll see that you have 2 mesh pockets there in that middle compartment there. You can store undergarments or charging cords, anything really. And it comes with a postcard showing you how to use that TSA security lock. You can unzip that little middle divider and you can see that I have more things over here and it can really hold a lot more. But that is another medium packing cube there. Also, I have the travel case, one of my favorite travel items, and the hanging traveler case is super great. So love this. Wow, so that was a lot, right? So many amazing products that you can snag by hosting a 31 party this season. So I would love to know in the comments what you are going to grab as your Hostess exclusives when you host a party with 31. So like I said, a minimum party to start earning Hostess rewards is that $200 level. And at each $100 level, you earn a little bit more and a little bit more and a little bit more. At the $500 party mark is where you earn 2 of our Hostess exclusives. So I think it is so great. These are fantastic. So I cannot wait to see what you choose when you host. Now, like I said, I try to have all of my hostesses have a $500 party because she gets to double her hostess rewards. She earns that monthly hostess special, which is different every month. And then she can choose from 2 of the exclusives for free. So definitely let me know in the comments what you choose. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in hosting and grabbing some of these items and you do not have a 31 consultant, I want to be your girl. I'll link below all of my information to get in touch with me, and we can host together and get your hands on some free products, some half price items, some Hostess exclusives, and then a Hostess bundle if your party reaches that $500 level. So again, thank you so much for watching. Hope that you have a wonderful day.